So how did you get to your position?
So actually I've been in the trade, including my apprenticeship, for a total of 12 years. 4 years as an apprentice, and I'm at 8+ years as a journeyman. In terms of getting to my current role, literally never said no to an opportunity, to be completely honest with you. So as a journeyman plumber, I worked for a year just doing installations and learning. And then after that year, got an opportunity to start running smaller projects. From those smaller projects, it eventually grew to larger projects, having success in performance of the building, proper installation, also building on interaction, teamwork with my current team members, within my company, and then also teamwork with the other trades. Being able to display, my ability to work with others is actually what helped catapult me move up at a faster rate.
Yeah.
To be in my role at this stage in the game is not common. It is possible.